Jishu Hozen, Zizhu Bao Quan, is a Japanese term that translates to autonomous maintenance in English. It's a concept within the framework of total productive maintenance, TPM, which originated in Japan as a comprehensive approach to improving equipment effectiveness and overall production efficiency. Jishu Hozen, or autonomous maintenance, focuses on involving frontline operators in the care and maintenance of equipment they work with on a daily basis. The main idea is to empower operators to take responsibility for certain maintenance tasks and inspections, which helps prevent equipment breakdowns and deterioration. By giving operators the knowledge and tools to perform routine maintenance, organizations aim to achieve higher equipment reliability, reduced downtime, and improved overall operational efficiency. Key principles of Jishu Hozen, autonomous maintenance, include cleaning and inspection. Operators regularly clean and inspect equipment to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. Lubrication. Operators learn how to properly lubricate machinery to ensure smooth operation and reduce friction-related problems. Tightening and fastening. Operators are trained to identify loose bolts or fasteners and perform proper tightening to prevent machinery malfunctions. Basic repairs. Operators are equipped to handle minor repairs or adjustments, minimizing the need for specialized maintenance teams for every small issue. Preventive Mindset. Jishu Hozen cultivates a culture of preventive maintenance, shifting from reactive repairs to proactive care. Ownership and engagement. Operators develop a sense of ownership over the equipment's performance, leading to increased engagement and responsibility. The implementation of Jishu Hozen involves training operators in maintenance tasks, establishing clear inspection routines, providing necessary tools, and fostering a culture of collaboration between operators, maintenance teams, and management. Jishu Hozen is one of the key pillars of TPM, which aims to maximize equipment effectiveness, improve product quality, and involve all employees in continuous improvement efforts.